हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज का क्वेश्चन हमारा पाइथन प्रोग्रामिंग से है, जिसमें हमें वैलिडिटी चेक करनी है स्ट्रिंग की फॉर पैरेंथेसिस। तो सबसे पहले हमें दो एरे क्रिएट करने होंगे, ओपन पैरा का और क्लोज पैरा का। सो ओपन पैरा का क्रिएट करते हैं सबसे पहले। ओपन पैरा, इसमें हमारा ओपन पैरेंथेसिस होंगे सारे। ठीक है, सो ओपन पैरेंथेसिस रख लेते हैं इसमें सारे हम। After this, let's create a array of closed parentheses. And after this, we are going to create a function to check the validity of the parentheses. So let's call it parachecker and take my string as input. So now let's create a stack and initialize with null. Now we are going to create a for loop and going to iterate my string characters by using for loop. So and after this, if I is in open para array, it will append I into stack. So basically it is I will be append to the end of the stack. And if it is not in open para and it is in closed para, basically closed parenthesis, then let me write first else if I in closed para, then we have to get the position of the I in closed parenthesis array. Close parenthesis array, we are going to take the index of it, and after taking the index, we are going to apply some condition here. If length of the stack is greater than 0 and open para position fine stack length of stack now let me explain first. So basically it is only adding element of open para in stack. So when there is an element of closed para, it will get the position of the closed para element, and then it will check the element of open para element with stack element, because in stack there is only open parenthesis element. So if the open para element is equal to a stack element, and it is basically checking with the length of stack minus 1. Basically a length of stack will be number of element, but index will be minus 1, so we have to use minus 1 here. So it is actually checking the element of open para with stack element. And guys, after this, if it match with it, if the element of the open para with the same position of same index match with the element of the stack, then we are going to return So then we are going to actually pop the element of the stack, because there will be no use of that parenthesis in the stack. And after this, or if it does not equal to the element of the stack, then it must be unbalanced. So we are going to return unbalanced here, unbalanced. After this, to return balance, we need to check only the length of the stack. If the length of the stack is 0, then return balanced. If length of stack is equal to 0, return balance. And if it is not equal to 0, return unbalanced. Fine. And now we are going to take, let's try some string here to check the code. So suppose there is a string called so let's fine, let's check this string print, and let's call just call the string here check para checker tha, and just put the string here in function. So let's open the CMD. And so there is an error right now. Let me fix this first. And so now let's run this code, guys. So now it is showing the string is balanced. So let me change the string for now. So let's make it unbalanced, and let's see. And as you can see, it is showing unbalanced. Let's make it more complicated. Fine. And this and this, and let's see what does it say. Balanced. Yeah, fine. Let's remove one of the parentheses here. Now as you can see, it is showing unbalanced. So you can see that our program is completely right now, and I hope you got the idea. So we are actually validating the element of the open para with the stack, because in stack there is only open para element. So we are actually checking the element of open para with the stack element. So we are not adding any element of the closed para element into the stack. So we are only checking, so we have to only check the open para element with stack. So I hope you get it. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. See you in the next video. Till then,